and a little 800 watt 2-channel over there just running my doors.
Okay.
Obviously, I put a little distribution block in here just to make everything easier.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, all the way across. Use discount code Decaf when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Alright, could you put window up real quick for info? So what's your name real quick and what is in here, man?
Dave Higdon. We're running two 3600 Unreal Audios at 0.8 ohms each on two custom-built Coriolis 15s in a custom 4th order.
Okay. Looks like y'all fine-tuned it a little bit. Started out big and shrunk it.
We're still tweaking it.
Okay.
We're still tweaking it.
Nice and sealed off, too.
Yeah, we're getting there, slowly.
Who built it?
Alicio Suarez built the box from Street Styles Base Team. We're part of this club.
Okay, awesome.
But yeah, we're still working on it.
Any battery power, electrical?
I have one 370 alt Apex under the hood and a bank of 8 Group 31 AGMs in my toolbox just running the system.
Okay. What is the frequency peaking at right now?
We peak at about 38. It gets down pretty good at about 28.
Yes, sir.
That was 37.
Okay. Awesome.
I got a pretty decent bandwidth. Like I said, we're still playing with the box.
Okay.
This box was originally built for 3-Scar Audio DDX 15s.
Okay. Got it.
We ran 3-Scar EVL 15s in here.
Yes, sir.
I've run 3 Ascendant Audio 15s in here, and we just recently picked up the subs from Coriolis.
Okay. Awesome. Looks like you got to take the whole loading wall out in order to load the subs.
Well, we have to not only take the faceplate out, but because the subs are so tall, I have to take the bottom of the port completely off, roll them up and out of the hole, and kick them sideways to get them out of the box.
Man. Okay, wow, dedication, but hey.
It is definitely a pain to get them in and out.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Is the amp or battery in the back?
Amps are right here behind the seat.
Okay.
Like I said, this is the new Unreal 3600.
Okay.
There's one here, one over there.
Very nice.
Then I have a Timpano 1000 watt 4-channel and a little 800 watt 2-channel over there just running my doors.
Okay.
Obviously, I put a little distribution block in here just to make everything easier.
Yes, sir.
They go all the
way across. All the way across. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? This is Decaf. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Dave's system. Pretty unique style system where he did a lot of testing and tuning, and still, of course, a work in progress. He showcased this at the Made of Steel show in 2021 near Tampa, Florida area show. So go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. You could tell that center sub that used to be there is actually blocked off, as he was telling us earlier. And he's got 2 amplifiers, so really powerful 3600 watt amps on each of these subs. I didn't find out if they were at half ohm or 1 ohm, and I'm going to have to guess they're at 1 ohm each. And a lot of AGM in the toolbox, really efficient way to store your battery bank if you're running a truck system, be able to run all your wires inside that back area. So hopefully that gave somebody an idea. And if you notice the port of this 4th order, this is a 4th order, the way there's a sealed section underneath, he helped fine tune it. You never know when you have a 4th order box, you're able to tweak and adjust your port to get as loud as possible just by adjusting your port area. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and enjoy. All right. Awesome. Yeah, I love a demo.
Yes, sir. Actually, if you want to leave that one up, I'll pop this door open.
Okay.
So, what up, Chuck? It's gonna be a secret. It's DJ Rusticles. A lot of women out here. Yeah, now they want to do nothing good times. You gotta give them something new to say. Like what? Let's maybe something else. on each other, acrobatics with their tongue. Shake it like Beyonce, the radio.
Wow.
Gets down pretty good.
Yeah, man.
We can get you a little something different.
Sure.
if you
Let's do
want.
one more. Can I try window down?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Yeah, we'll actually just roll them both down. This is 31. Does pretty well on that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I got a pretty decent bandwidth.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.